Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start tracking your emails with Mail Track. To begin, if you have not installed Mail Track, be sure to check our old video on how to. You're going to open up gmail.com, you're going to go right here and press on Mail Track. It's going to tell you sign in to activate add-on. We're going to press right on this and install extension. As you can see, from there we're going to press on add to Chrome once it is loaded up and add extension. Next up, we're going to press on connect with Google. And you're going to choose the Google account MailTrack is associated with. Allow. And now it's going to choose the plan that best fits you. If you're looking for professional usage, you want to choose advanced, which is 2.5 euros per month. But for us, we're going to be going with free. And as you can see, we're done. It has successfully been installed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Make sure to comment down below what you want to see. And that's basically it. Goodbye.